Hello guys, hello to you. I've been so busy. So today, I have another love letters for Lucas and Naomi. So yesterday guys, it was Lucas Audiology Appointment. So everything's went fine naman. So yung audiology, he said that he is not really bothered about Lucas' ear problems. You know guys, when you have a Down syndrome baby, it's normal to them that they have a hearing aid because of their small throat for small ear canal. So it's common to them that they have a ear problem. But to Lucas, it says before in leaf that it was mild to moderate yung hearing loss niya. But in time, they said it will be okay or he need an hearing aid. At the moment, sabi nung lalaki, he is not bothered. So we will come back in after 2 months again for follow-up. And then if there's any more problem or another congestion na mangyayari, he will refer us to a GP, sa consultant talaga, what is the best for Lucas. So at the moment, walang hearing aid si Lucas, and then they said that they are happy on what Lucas, and he explained to me that it is normal for a Down syndrome, that they are easily getting bored and not paying attention when the sounds they keep hearing is the same. Because like you or other kids, ganon, that if you keep hearing that sounds over and over again, you just ignore it. You just get bored to it. So that was our appointment yesterday. I was so really lucky yesterday because after the hospital appointment on Harrogate District Hospital, I went to our Santander Bank appointment. And then after that, I gave a little treat to kids. We went to McDonald's, and oh my God, para ako tanga sa McDonald's. There's a new thing in McDonald's that you cannot just walk in. You need to wait outside and scan the QR, and they are asking for the coronavirus trace. So they will ask you your name, your contact number, if you have this coronavirus or the symptoms, are you feeling well, like that, and how many people you are going into it, and how many minutes you are approximately stay on the shop. So that is the way if you will go to dine in McDonald's here now. So I was so really shocked and feels like, oh my God, what's going on like this or like that. And especially I have 2 kids and it's a bit cold yesterday. So ayun. And then after that, after we ate to McDonald's, we went straight to Ripon Spa surgery for my repeat prescription for Lucas milk, infant weenie, and Thick and Easy, and Lucas Ultum, because Naomi is having a really bad what is this, allergy. Yes, really bad allergy. So she really need the antihistamine and the dermal for her skin every day, as much as needed. Just put it on. And then and today I am waiting for our home visit appointment portage, because last week it was also canceled for 3rd time. Yun, so it was really feels like frustrating and stressed because it's supposed to be online call or telephone call, but because I have a really bad internet connection in my place, so she will go today and we will meet, and I'm just waiting because it's 10 a.m. in the morning yung yung portage appointment natin. And then we also have tomorrow 10:45 a.m. in the morning, Leeds Hospital. That was about let's say 1.5 hours. It depends if it's traffic or not, going here and there by a bus. And then I need to walk from the bus station going to the hospital for about 15 to 20 minutes. So it took me 2 hours for traveling from Ripon to Leeds LGI, Leeds General Infirmary, kasi doon na operahan si Lucas na kanyang heart, kaya need follow-up appointment. So today I still have my diary because I will gonna wrote down what I spent yesterday, what I did yesterday, and this I have a love letter because I missed my parcel last day. yesterday. It was last day. I think Sunday because I went out with kids. So we missed the delivery. So I have to run them or I need to go there in Royal. And then yes, I have another letters here. So this one is about. Oh, this one I already opened it and I just ignore it again.
Present.
So it's about TV license, guys. So here in England, we are paying TV license, guys. So if you don't have TV license, you cannot watch live stream of BBC. So ayan. Set aside again, and then we have this. Ayan. Parent or carer of Miss and D. Naomi Danaya. Oh, kay Naomi Danaya pala ito. Parents or carer of Naomi Danaya.
Yes, please. Horsey, where are you?
Oh my goodness. Friday, 6th November.
I can't see a horse.
So we have an appointment on Friday, 6th of November 2020. Oh my goodness. Yes, Lucas. Let me check my October. So, yes. So let me write it down. Friday, 6th of November.
Did you know
November,
that I
6th
can
October.
speak horse?
Really, Mr. Tumble?
Yes.
Saturday, October.
No, Mr. Tumble. You're speaking cat, not horse.
Thursday. Oh my goodness. I need to write it down. I need to write it down. So, it's Friday. Ayun, November. Friday,
She's cool.
November 6th. We also have an appointment 7 p.m. evening on Friday. It's about Makaton. That is for Lucas. So, it's 11 a.m. Oh my goodness. My pen.
She needs some
Bumigay yung pen ko, guys.
water.
Bumigay yung pen ko.
There you go, Spotty.
Oh my goodness.
Well done. Now I'll get you some water. Help me, Spotty. Thank you. That's better. I'll get some water.
Oh dear, Mr. Tumble. You are silly.
Ayan. Ayan na, nakita ko si Lucas. Sinasalisihan niya ako sa pag-akyat ng...
Yes, I'm going to ride Spotty.
Sit down na. Gusto niya umakyat sa upuan ko. So, I won't allow him. Baka mahulog kasi aakyat siya sa table. So, 11 a.m.
There we go.
11 a.m.
You're
Naomi Danaya. Naomi Danaya.
Oh, yes. Thank
Dr.
you. Spotty.
Ay, Cunnings.
Why didn't you tell me I'm supposed to wear it?
Pediatrics. Siya yung pinaka-pediatrics dito sa Harrogate Hospital, sa District Hospital. Your child just... So, it's good, guys, na your child does not need to attend the hospital for this appointment. A clinical will telephone you. So, please allow 1 hour either side of your appointment for the clinical to contact you. We have the following contact numbers recorded for you. Please contact the appointment center. So, ayun na.
You're my friend.
What, you're my friend too?
Ayun,
We're all friends. Right then. Come on, Spotty.
Pediatric siya.
Where you going? Wait.
So, ayun guys. This is for Naomi. O, diba? Ayan si Naomi. Tapos, lagay natin yan dyan. Yung broken pen ko.
Hello, Spotty.
Bumibigay na yung mga pen ko. Kasi siguro sabi nila, ang dami naman ginapagawa nito sa amin.
Lovely, tiny stable.
Then, let's open this one.
Now it's time to make you tiny too. Good, good. Right, come on, Spotty. Let's give your nose a
So, this is guardian of Lucas Audiology. So,
I gave you brush
Master Lucas Guerrero. Master Lucas.
Good idea.
This is just to let you know that Lucas thyroid function tests have been reported as being in the normal range. Obviously, this is a very encouraging. Oh, ayun. Oh my God. That's a good news, guys. Good news na si Lucas, yung thyroid niya is nagre-respond daw ng normal. So, hindi na namin kailangan ng thyroxine. Hindi namin kailangan maggamot sa kanya. And then, I don't know kailan yung follow-up appointment niya. Kung ititipan ay pa ba yun or hindi na. So, ayan. So, this is for Naomi. So,
you're going to run up to the jump and jump over the
and then,
water.
this is just to let you know that so far, all of Naomi's blood tests have come back as being normal. We are still waiting for the cardiac screen and I will write to you when we get the result of this. Ayan, kasi di ba kinuhanan ng blood test si Naomi tsaka si Lucas. Naomi got the blood test of this because he's having a bruises and I'm scared about before na she will get the infantile spasm. So, we're still waiting for another blood test result for Naomi. And then, Lucas thyroid is normal. That means it's a good news. So, ayan guys. Ayan guys yung lahat ng appointment ko. Within this week lang yan ha. And then, next week, makakahinga-hinga ako ng magaan. But I still don't know because sometimes there are just letters that popping up na alam nyo yun, or sometimes there are just emergency call na if you can do this now or you can do on the other day or next week, mga ganon. So, ayun, I have a new appointment for Naomi on coming November, and then Lucas appointment in 2 months, and my appointment on 3rd week of October. And today, darating na yung portage appointment ko, 10 a.m. in the morning. So, thank you guys for listening. Thank you for watching and for support. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Have a nice day to all and keep safe, guys. If you are new to our channel, please like, subscribe, and comment below. This is a big help for us na you gonna support us. And please stay on our channel and support lang po. It's a big help for us, especially your comment. Thank you.